That's all about it. Thank you all.
Assalamualaikum dear viewers and well wishers, welcome back to my YouTube channel EGST English by Shahin sir. প্রিয় নবম শ্রেণীর শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আজকে আমি তোমাদের জন্য উপস্থাপন করতে যাচ্ছি ভিন্ন ধর্মী একটি উপস্থাপনা। এখানে তোমরা পাবা একটা রিয়েল প্রেজেন্টেশন। আমার চারজন শিক্ষার্থী মিলে একটা রিয়েল প্রেজেন্টেশন তোমাদেরকে দেখাবে 3.3.1 এর উপর। এটি হলো আর্গুমেন্টেটিভ এসে এবং এটি তোমাদের পেজ নাম্বার 32 থেকে 39 পর্যন্ত বিস্তারিত রয়েছে। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, চলো কথা না বাড়িয়ে চলে যাই মূল পর্বে। তবে মূল পর্বে যাওয়ার আগে তোমরা যারা এখন পর্যন্ত আমার চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করোনি, ঝটপট সাবস্ক্রাইব করে ফেলো। সেই সঙ্গে কমেন্ট সেকশনে লিখে ফেলো তোমরা কে কোন স্কুল থেকে আমাকে দেখছো।
Morning everybody, Assalamualaikum. Hope you are well. This is Alamun and I am the leader of Jamuna group and there are our group members.
This is Osamala. Hi everybody, this is Sugar.
Morning everybody, this is Abhi. Topic name: online learning and distance learning. Introduction: can you imagine a world without schools and classrooms? The concept of traditional education has changed radically within the last couple of years. Some educational institutions tend to shift to online classes due to their flexibility and opportunities. It becomes a significant concern for all related to this sector, especially after the COVID situation. Though online learning creates opportunities for students to enhance learning, it can't replace face-to-face learning because learning is a two-way process and we learn through interaction. Besides, many students get distracted when they do online classes. Body paragraph 1. One of the reasons why online learning can't replace face-to-face learning because learning is a two-way process and people learn better through interaction. According to my friend, when I read at home, I can't understand all of it when the teacher gives a speech. In fact, I learn when we share our understanding with each other and complete the following activities. Clearly, it shows that interaction is a must for learning. So we can say online classes may help us to learn but can't replace face-to-face learning. Body paragraph 2. Additionally, the quick and direct feedback students get face-to-face classes really helps them learn better. In real classroom, you can ask questions, get instant answer and discuss the difficult things with your classmates and teachers. The instant feedback is super important for cleaning up confusion. On the other hand, online classes might have message boards, but the fact the responses aren't instant for the reason learning process can slow down. The lively exchange of ideas and quick feedback in face-to-face learning makes it easier to fully understand the subject. Traditional classrooms are hard to beat because in-person interaction are quick and responsive. Online interactions learning finds and it tricky to keep up with the speedy and dynamic nature of traditional classroom. Body paragraph 3. In other words, we can say online classes may give flexibility and save money, but it will distract student attention because when students are in front of a computer, the attraction are just a click away. Very often, the students join the class and play games, watch movies, etc. Again, learning depends on the relationship between teacher and students, which can't be achieved on the same level over the computer. So it's obvious that online classes can't replace face-to-face learning. The conclusion: we may conclude by saying that online classes may enhance learning but can't replace face-to-face learning because students mostly learn through interactions. with the teacher and their peers, and learning depends on the relationship between teacher and students. Besides in online classes, there is a high chance for the students to be distracted. So, considering all these issues, we may say online means laptops, computers, smartphones will be the classrooms of the students in future. There is a possibility to have a future generation who are skilled with theories but the ignorant of applying those. That's all about it.
Thank you all.